What's up, Low Gang? Welcome back to another vlog. We're headed sledding. As you can tell, Dario's fucking excited. Pat's coming as well.
Hell yeah.
Because we need him for his truck. That's the reason why we invited him. We're gonna go hit some fucking slopes. Probably hit some. Pat's gonna hit a double backy on the sled. We're just gonna
triple.
Oh shit, triple backy. Put some respect on his name.
Trying to look like Paul.
Look, my nose is still fucked up from snowboarding. It was like 3 weeks ago already. Hey now. Check out the snow trooper. 13. What do you got on, Pat?
Ice cap gloves.
Those look like the Scarecrow 11. What do you got on, Dario? What kind of stompers? Ooh, boy got on the white snowflakes. Look at this shit, though. Damn, boys. Shit. Look at that chain. That might be bigger than fucking Mr. T's chain. Is that his name? Mr. T?
Yeah.
Mr. T.
It's like Flavor Flav's.
That shit's... We'll catch you guys when we get to the top. I hope you enjoy these scenery shots I'm about to get for you. They're about to be fire, all right? Wait till I get my money. It's fucking blizzard out here. We're all hiking and shit. Dario's about to send it. First one. Standing up. Oh, that boy's nice. Should I come in running with some speed? It's coming down out here.
If we can get into the tree cover, we'll warm up.
Go straight that way.
Let's just take a little bleed break. A bleeze break.
What's up, Thug Nasties?
What'd you bring? Vienna sausages, bro? You're a genius.
Sitting right next to me, on me and shit, bro.
Oh, bro, you scared the fuck out of me, dog. I thought that noise was coming from the snow. About to jump on top of you like you said. I was like fucking... Bro, I swear to God, I was like, what kind of animal is that? Dog, I was about to fucking run, dude.
Up on your sled. Should we hit this? Go slow.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Bam. Woo! Boy's fast.
Race each other.
Oh.
That boy's riding it out.
Yeah, it looks like a blizzard out here. Look at that bear. Oh! Oh!
You can rent snowmobile, bro. Fast right here,
Oh.
I'm beat, dog. The hike that bitch, that's the hardest hike today.
That's
right
why I
there.
stopped right here, folks.
That was the hardest hike. Yeah, dog. You're the best day of your life. Steer it, steer it, steer it. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Look at that boy. Good.
Oh,
You gotta go down.
I hit something.
He did it on a rock. Yeah. You alright? That boy's choking to death.
Why you guys made me laugh in this shit?
It's already filling up with snow. That's it for today's video.
You said that shit already, nigga.
We're out. I know, I didn't finish though, I fucking forgot. Ooh, I love it, guys. Plot twist. Traffic on the way down.
3, 2,